सकूं. Good student, myself Ritu Kumari, I am your science teacher, and this is the chapter of class is coal and petroleum. This is your 6th chapter. In the earlier stage, everybody know that our Earth is formed billions of years ago. This is the formation of Earth. Approximately, if you suppose that 4 to 3,000 years ago, our Earth is formed. During the Earth formation, different type of things are crushed and evaporate in the surface of the Earth and make something suitable for human life and their activities. In our daily life, something is very necessary for our spending life, just like plant. Plant is necessary for us for crops, fruits, and something which is related to our daily life is very essential. The evolution of human is the last journey of evolution. After the human evolution, nothing is formed and nothing new substance is making. So the resources are very important for human beings. So the resources are those which is used in our daily life, daily things. So let's see what is formation of coal and petroleum and the resources. First of all, we will learn about resources. What is resource? The material which are used by man for his survival. We have already talked about this. Survival and welfare is called resources. In these resources, food, water, crops, petroleum, coal. This is our resources. This is in exhibited natural resources. Exhibited natural resources, what it means? These are present in unlimited quantity in nature. This quantity is unlimited, just like sunlight, air, water. There is no limitation for these resources. So this is called inexhaustible resources. Next is exhaustible resources. These are limited in nature. Example: forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum. These are limited in our nature. Next is fossil fuel. Fossils, these are the dead things which is crushed in formation of earth, and this is also called fossil fuel. These are dead animals and plants. Animals which were buried deep inside the earth. Millions of years ago, fossil fuels are the fuels that are obtained from fossils. Fossils mean dead things. In these dead things, plants, animals, these are included. And what are fossil fuels? Let's take the example: coal, petroleum, and natural gases. These are the fossil fuels which are used in our daily life. Next one is occurrence of fossil fuels. How it can occur? They are formed from prehistoric plant and animal that had lived millions of years ago when Earth is formed. In the occurrence of fossil fuel, coal is very necessary and very important to the formation of Earth and natural resources. It is solid fuel. Coal is solid fuel. It is used in thermal power plant to produce electricity. This is the remembering point and you have to remember this. Formation of coal. Let's see how coal is formed. It was formed the bearing of dense forest in low-lying wetland area due to the natural pressure like flooding, made soil was depolished over them, so the coal is formed. They were compressed high temperature, and high temperature converts their formation of coal. Let's see the type of coal. Coal are divided in their carbonic type of. So let's see. First of all, first type of coal is peat. The presentation of carbon is 27%. Next is lignite. Let's see the present of carbon. 28 to 30% carbon is present in lignite. Next one is bituminous. Bituminous is something high range of coal. So the presentation of carbon is 75 to 80%. The next is anthracite. This is the very important part of coal and very important coal. Anthracite, it has 90 to 95% of coal. Next point is peat. What is peat? Dead plant material. Peat is dead plant material and just like a coal. Lignite. Lignite is called brown coal. It is also used in fueling. Bituminous. Bituminous is also a type of coal, and this is used in household. Household, it means housing fuel. Destructive distillation of coal. Let's see destructive distillation. On a strong heating coal in a closed tube, it breaks down to different components as coal gas, coal tar, ammonical liquid, and coke. These products are the rate of destructive distillation. Various products obtained during destructive distillation, such as coal gas. It is mixture of hydrogen. In coal gas, 50% hydrogen, 35% methane, and carbon monoxide is present in 8%. Carbon monoxide. Ammonium required. It is also found in the destructive distillation. It is solution of ammonia in water and it obtained. Coke. It is a solid material containing carbon mainly. Coke has only carbon. Coal tar. Coal tar is a very important part of coal. It is viscous, brown and black liquid, and it is also used in medicine, formation of dye and making of road areas, building, construction. So coal tar is very important part of coal. Let's see the use of coal. In fuel, coal is used in our household, making fuels, making food materials. Next is chemical energy stored in coal to heat water to produce a steam that turns turbine. Turbine and its turbine produce electricity in manufacturer of industries. Manufacturer industry also use coal. So this is the end of coal and their formation, their types, characters. In the next video, we will learn about petroleum and their formation. Thank you.